Got this supercharger. It's just sitting on a aluminum plate. Gonna have to cut this excess off after I get my lower intake manifold and figure out how exactly I want to mount it and if I want to do an intercooler or not. But that's where I'm at. Gonna see what size throttle body I'm gonna go with, or if I'm gonna use this one or one off of one of the Camaros. This is a little bit bigger and it might fit better. Alright, so I just pulled this throttle body off of one of my Camaros. It's a 2013 SS. It's a little bit bigger, so definitely gonna have to make a spacer. Was gonna use this elbow, but probably not, because I don't want it sitting all the way over here. That's kind of ugly, and the space is a lot worse. So what I'm thinking is have it like this with the spacer right here, and then make a elbow turn around. Might make it out of carbon fiber, and think it would look cool. And hopefully it'll sit way lower than that. I got a really low profile manifold, so should be easier to clearance. Definitely cannot close the hood. It is too big. Big gap. But the manifold should sit way lower. And when I cut the excess of this off, it'll sit even better. Not sure if I'm gonna run an intercooler or not though. We'll see. I do have these capped off, and that's plugged. May tap this one for meth. I'm not sure just yet. And obviously it would sit way further back so it could be in line with the belt, but right now it's definitely way up because I got too much in the back. I gotta cut some off and then it should fit. Also, I have no idea what size pulley this is, but here's what the bottom of the plate looks like. So I have all the bolt holes and this section cut out so the air could come through. And I'm probably just gonna cut it along that line, get rid of all that extra stuff. Definitely gonna change the oil in it too, through here, and it should be loud. That's what I'm hoping for. If not, I'm gonna turbo it next. Here's the inside. It's a little dark, but I'll probably switch out this shifter. I'll probably switch out that shifter, and right now trying to figure out what size injectors I want to go with, and if I want a single or dual fuel pump. Probably going to go with the single 340 and call it a day.